In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add buttons on Squarespace. To begin, open the page you want to update in Squarespace. Once you are on that page, go to the top left corner and click Edit. This will open the page editor and let you make changes directly on the layout. If you are new to Squarespace, this is the main area where you can add and arrange content blocks, including buttons. Next, you need to add a new block to the page. In the top left corner of the section you are working in, click Add Block. You can also move your cursor over the grid and click the insertion point marked with a plus sign. Both options do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels easier while editing. This step tells Squarespace exactly where you want the new button to appear. When the block menu opens, look through the grid of available blocks and choose Button. As soon as you select it, a new button block will be added to your page. This gives you a basic button that you can now customize for your site. After the button appears, click on the new button block and then select the pencil icon to edit it. In the Settings panel, find the text field and type the wording you want visitors to see on the button. Keep this text short and clear so it is easy to read. Good button text usually tells people exactly what action to take. Once the text is in place, move down to the link section. Here you can paste a direct URL if you already know where the button should go. If you prefer, click the gear or arrow icon to choose a target from within Squarespace. This can be another page on your site, a file for download, or an email link. This is useful because it gives you flexibility depending on what you want the button to do. When the button is set up, drag the block to position it where you want on the grid. Take a moment to place it carefully so it fits well with the rest of your page layout. After that, click Done in the top left corner to exit the section editor, and then click Save to publish your changes. That is all there is to it.